Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 33. After reflection from the concave mirror, rays of light from the sun converges A. at the radius of curvature, B. at the focus, C. beyond the radius of curvature, D. between the focus and the radius of curvature. So there are two types of mirrors, two types of curved mirrors to be specific. Two types of curved mirrors. You have the concave mirror and of course the convex mirror. Now we're asked for a concave mirror, what happens when where do rays of light converge after reflection from a concave mirror? Now when a concave mirror is drawn, okay, something like this, when a concave mirror is drawn, there is that radius of curvature or that axis where various objects are formed, or where objects or images are formed in relation to where the object is. So the various images are formed with respect to this axis depending on where the image is placed also on the axis. Now there is the center of curvature, which is C. There is the focus. Okay, now for the sun, it is located beyond the center of curvature. So because it is located beyond the center of curvature, the image will be formed between the focus and the radius of curvature. So because of the position of the sun, remember what we are looking at is light from the sun. So the sun in this case is taken as the object, and of course whatever mirror you may be holding, the sun is definitely far away, very far away from that mirror. So that's why we consider the object to be at that distance, and then the image is formed between the focus and the radius of curvature. Now the image that will be formed will be real, diminished, and inverted. So for the question we're asked, D is between the focus and the radius of curvature. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.